Welcome to Zed Results tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to demonstrate how teachers are supposed to upload results on our platform. As you can see, I am using Chrome browser, but you can use any browser of your choice. Using this browser, I will visit zedresults.com. Then I'll click on Go. When I click on Go, this is what we are going to see: a list of schools to choose from. If I'm a teacher from Hillside Girls, I will click on Hillside Girls Secondary School. If I'm a teacher of Rufunsa Girls, I will choose Rufunsa Girls Technical. So, as an example, I will click on Hillside Girls. Then we are going to have this page. Then we'll click on Login here. Next, we are going to enter our login in details. Then I will click on Login. Next, we will click on Menu. Then we'll click on Academics. After Academics, from the list, we'll click Add or Upload Results. Then we will select the grade. Next, we'll select type of examination. So here I'll click on End of Term. Next, I'll select Term 1. Then I'll select the year of Flex 2023. And I'll click on Submit. So when I submit those particular details, the system will instruct me to select subject. So I will select. So here we can see we have a schedule or list of all the pupils in that particular class that I selected earlier. So it is at this point that the teacher will insert marks of various candidates or pupils. Now, in an event that the pupil was absent for the test or the exam, you can just indicate A, B. Again, in an event the pupil does not take a particular subject, we indicate A. So we need to fill up all the fields for us to be able to save. So after filling up all the fields, click on Save. As you can see, successful submission of results. Well, that is all we are supposed to do when we want to upload results with Zed Results platform.